Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating issue. How to recover a permanently disabled Facebook account in 2025. If you've ever lost access to your account and felt like it was gone forever, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the latest steps based on Facebook's updated policies. This process might seem intimidating, but with a little patience and the right approach, you could get back in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by visiting the Facebook Help Center. That's your go-to spot for all account recovery options. Look for the Account Disabled section and click on Appeal a Disabled Account. Facebook has made this easier in 2025 with a more streamlined interface, so fill out the appeal form with accurate details about your account. Next, gather your proof. You'll need to provide identification to verify your identity. This could include a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, along with any photos or documents that link you to the account. Make sure everything is clear and matches the information you used when you created the profile. Step 3. Submit a detailed explanation. In your appeal, explain why you think the disablement was a mistake. Was it due to a hacked account, mistaken identity, or a policy violation you can clarify? Be honest and concise. Facebook's AI reviewers in 2025 are smarter and faster at processing these. Once you've submitted, keep an eye on your email. Facebook will send updates on your appeal status, which could take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. While you wait, avoid creating new accounts, as that might complicate things. If your appeal is denied, don't give up. You can try contacting Facebook support through their dedicated recovery page or even via their app's help features. In 2025, they've introduced better chat support for these issues. Finally, prevention is key. Once you recover your account, enable two-factor authentication and review your privacy settings to avoid future problems. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.